Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been curious about Linux on the desktop, today is your day. In this video, we'll explore 5 in-depth reasons why 2025 might finally be the year Linux breaks into the mainstream, covering privacy, cost, accessibility, choice, and gaming. Let's dive right in. Over the past 2 years, Windows 11 has accelerated its data collection practices. Built-in telemetry sends usage stats back to Microsoft servers. Personalized ads now appear in the start menu and lock screen. The most controversial feature is recall, which logs every app you open, every file you access, and all your text input. Security researchers warn that recall's lack of robust encryption could expose sensitive data if breached. For users valuing privacy, Linux distributions, especially privacy-focused ones like Tails or Qubes OS, offer full transparency and control over what's collected and stored. Microsoft will retire free security updates for Windows 10 on October 14th, 2025. Post EOL, only customers who subscribe to extended security updates, starting at $61 per machine, receive critical patches, and that fee doubles each year for 3 years. No matter how loyal you've been to Windows 10, after next October, you face either mounting costs or increased exposure to malware and zero-day exploits. Meanwhile, Linux distros maintain perpetual free updates with active communities patching vulnerabilities within hours. For budget and security-minded users, that's a powerful incentive to migrate. Just a few years ago, Linux installations required manual partitioning and command line installations of drivers. Today, distros like Linux Mint and Ubuntu provide graphical installers with install alongside Windows options and automatic driver detection. Pop OS ships with up-to-date NVIDIA and AMD drivers baked in, no manual downloads needed. The desktop environments, Cinnamon, Genome, KDE Plasma, look polished and intuitive, closely mirroring familiar Windows or macOS workflows. Basic tasks, web browsing, office productivity, media playback, work out of the box, so you can focus on your work, not troubleshooting. One of Linux's greatest strengths is its diversity. Want a rolling release model with the latest packages? Try Arch or Manjaro. Need rock-solid stability for a workstation? Debian or CentOS Stream is your friend. Gaming enthusiasts can choose Nobara for built-in tweaks or SteamOS for a dedicated gaming environment. Security buffs rely on Qubes OS's compartmentalization or Tails' amnesic design. For ultra-low-spec hardware, Puppy Linux and TinyCore boot in seconds. With package managers like apt, dnf, and pacman, installing new software is a single terminal command or click away. Valve's Proton compatibility layer has transformed Linux gaming. More than 80% of the top 100 Steam titles run flawlessly under Proton, often matching Windows performance. With the release of SteamOS 3.0 for generic PCs this spring, Linux gaming is no longer confined to Valve hardware. Proton Experimental delivers real-time fixes for anti-cheat systems like Easy Anti-Cheat and BattleEye. They're broadening title support every month as more developers certify their games for Linux and optimize anti-cheat compatibility. The divide between Linux and Windows gaming continues to shrink. I've spoken with content creators who switched to Ubuntu Studio for its real-time audio kernel, developers who love Fedora's cutting-edge toolchains, and entrepreneurs saving thousands in licensing by deploying Linux in their offices. Their experiences show Linux isn't just for enthusiasts. It's a reliable professional platform. There you have it. Privacy safeguards, zero-cost updates, user-friendly installers, a wealth of choices, and top-tier gaming on SteamOS. All these factors align to make 2025 the most promising year yet for the Linux desktop. Ready to take the plunge? Try a live USB session, join a distro community, and see which environment clicks with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy computing on open source.